Okay po.
Hello! So ayun, wedding namin today. We're very happy dahil naging part yung Stala Suites ng aming event, ng aming wedding. So from day one, ayun, so very accommodating ang team, especially doon sa naging account holder ko, si Sir Erwin Villamor. So very hands-on, mabilis po mag-reply, at yung buong team niya. And also to Miss Jigger, ayan, di ba? Ang galing niya mag-assist kasi all throughout, mula kaninang umaga hanggang ngayon po na mukhang nag-exceed na kami sa time is andito siya, always smiling, and also inalagaan niya ako sa kayong mula kaninang umaga pa hanggang ngayon. And also for the rest of the team, si Peter yung nag-assist din sa church, and also for the rest of the coordinator na nag-asikaso sa amin ngayong wedding, January 30, 2025 here in Stala Suites Events Place in Pandora Hall. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.